Good morning, students. Today we will study about the population distribution. In last class we study about the what men a resource. Yes, men a resource. Human complete the necessity of each other. They complete the necessity of the another person. Thus, a human is a resource. Now we start about the population distribution. Population distribution. What is population distribution? In population distribution, emphasize on localization of the population on the earth. What is population? Here the number of the person in particular region is called the population, and localization of population on the earth. Localization of population on the earth. That is population distribution. Here total distribution of the population found uneven on the earth, and the localization. Here the some region have favorable condition where population found maximum, and where the unsuitable condition where the less population region. Population distribution means special distribution of the population. Special distribution of the population. All these related to the places. The places where the favorable condition, here the high populated region, and the unfavorable condition, low populated region. Population is not uniformly distribution on the earth. The population is not uniformly, यानी हर जगह एक या हम कहेंगे क्वांटिटी number of the person is not equal in the particular region. All these here the region here the found the different population in different region. Population is not uniformly distribution on the earth and the world. Now here start distribution of world population. Distribution of the world population found uneven. In one word we can say population distribution found uneven in the world. Population distribution found uneven in the world. First check the characteristics. Some knowledge about the population distribution. First, 2/3 part of the world is uninhabited. 2/3 part of the world. 2/3 part of the world uninhabited यानी निर्जन, जहाँ पे कोई नहीं रहता है ना, जो 2/3 part है, 2/3 part of the population uninhabited. Total here the desert region, high cold region, very cold, very hot region, high land region, ठीक है, plateau. Then here low population found in this region. These are included in the uninhabited region. Clear? Second point here, only 10% of the population resides on the 90% part of the land. If we consider this region here 10%, this region 10% region, in 10% region reside here the 90% population. 90% population, and whole this 90% region only reside here the 10% population. 10% population. Here the 90% region, yeah, area. Here 10% population, and here 10% region reside here the 90% population. What this sentence, in this sentence कि छोटा जो रीजन है, छोटा रीजन केवल 10% रीजन, जहाँ पे फेवरेबल कंडीशन है, रिवर, प्लेन रीजन, एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड, यहाँ पे तो पॉपुलेशन डेंस पॉपुलेशन है, अप्रोक्स 90% पॉपुलेशन रिसाइड ओनली 10% रीजन, एंड हियर द 90% रीजन. 90% रीजन कौन सा? uninhabited region, like here the very cold region, very hot region, desert region, highland region. This region 90% region, only 10% population found in this region. Clear? यहाँ पे हम 90 और 10 का रेशियो नहीं लेके क्या लेंगे, 80 और 20 का, तो वो भी ठीक है ना, कि 20% पॉपुलेशन 10 की जगह क्या कर सकते हैं, 20% रीजन और पॉपुलेशन 80%, पॉपुलेशन फाउंड हियर 80%. क्लियर? देन हियर 90% रीजन, तो यहाँ पे हम बोलेंगे 80% रीजन या 80% एरिया, और हियर फाउंड द 20% पॉपुलेशन. या 80-20 का रेशियो लेंगे या 90-10 का रेशियो लेंगे. 10% पॉपुलेशन रिसाइड्स इन द 90% पार्ट ऑफ द 90% पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड. ठीक है. और जो सेकंड बात करें कि 90% ऑफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन, यानी टोटल पॉपुलेशन का कितना 90%. ठीक है. 90% क्या कितने रीजन में 90% कहां पे मिल रहा है? ओनली 10% region, because here the favorable condition for the living. So 90% of the total population is concentrated only 10% land surface. Clear? Next, North Hemisphere and South Hemisphere. This globe divided in two parts. 0 degree equator, 0 degree latitude equator. Upper part is North Hemisphere and lower part is South Hemisphere. Upper part is North Hemisphere, lower part is South Hemisphere. 85% total world populations, 85% reside in the North Hemisphere, and total world population 15% population resides in the South Hemisphere. This sentence number third, here world population 85% part reside in the North Hemisphere. Here the land part, the world populated country like here the India, America, China, Asian countries, yeah, plain region found in this North Hemisphere. So here the highly populated region, here found high populated region. In South Hemisphere, here the water part ratio is maximum here, and total in South Hemisphere only 15% population resides. Next point, in North Hemisphere, yeah, total world populations 80%. Total world populations sorry, पहले वाला पढ़ लेंगे. 75% population of the world resides in the Asia and Europe. Asia and Europe continent dense populated continent, and here found approx 75 part of the world population in Asia and Europe. Next, 80% population. Next, 80% of world population. Next, here 20, यहाँ से 0 degree या 20 degree to 60 degree, 20 degree to 60 degree, 20 degree north to 60 degree north, ये वाला जो रीजन है 20 degree north to 60 degree north. World population 80% resides here. World population 80% resides 20 degree north latitude to 60 degree north latitude. 20 degree north latitude to 60 degree north latitude. Here America, China, north part of India, Pakistan, Japan, Korea, all these countries in this part 20 degree to 60 degree north. And here world populations 80% part reside in this region. Next, 80% resides less than 500 meter above sea level. 80% resides less than 5 meter above the sea level. देखो सी लेवल से हम काउंट करते हैं सी लेवल, तो सी लेवल से हाइट क्या आप करें हम, तो सी लेवल से हाइट में 500 मीटर है ना, 500 मीटर. तो 80% वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन जो सी लेवल से 500 मीटर की जो हाइट है वहां तक की, और रिमेन जो 500 मीटर से अबव है ना 600 या लास्ट तक कितना, ओनली 20%. तो मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन फाउंड 80% population resides less than 500 meter above the sea level. जो sea level से हाइट की बात करेंगे हम, तो हाइट से 500 मीटर तक बात करें तो पॉपुलेशन का 80% वहां पे रहता है, और 500 मीटर से अबव जाएंगे तो वहां पे पॉपुलेशन reside less. Next, 57 part of the population live in 5% area of the world. यानी 5% area of the world जहाँ पे क्या ना plain land, here the river found, agricultural land found, animal husbandry and many other industries also here the employment ये जो रीजन है अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, और जो अट्रैक्ट करने वाला जो रीजन है लाइक here the cities, ठीक है, only 5% रीजन पर population 57% resides here. Only 5% region of the world and 57% population resides in the region. Clear?